Hello guys, in this short and basic video today, I will show you how to set A3 paper size in Microsoft Word document as default. So open your Microsoft Word document, new or any document. Now click on layout. Then here you will see setting page setup. Okay, now click on this drop down arrow, and here click on more paper size. Now select here A3, this one. Just select this A3, then click on this set as default. Here click on yes. Now exit and reopen, close and reopen your Microsoft Word document. So this is the settings guys to set A4, A3 or A5. Just click on layout. So guys, you can set any size for paper. Just click on more paper size and make sure you have to click on this set as default. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.